Hello everyone. Last time I discussed about changing mixed number to improper fraction. Today I will be discussing about changing improper fraction to mixed numbers. Okay, doing that you need to remember these things. So first, in order to change improper fraction to mixed number, you need to divide the numerator by the denominator. And then after dividing, the quotient will be the whole number, and then the remainder becomes the new numerator and the denominator remains the same. Okay, so in order for you to understand this better, let us take a look at this example. So as I said a while ago, first we need to divide the numerator by the denominator. So numerator divided by the denominator. So we have to divide 27 divided by 5. So how many 5 can fit to 27? There are 5 that can fit to that. So 5 times 5 is 25. Subtract 27 minus 25 is 2. Now that we're done doing division, we're going to write this into mixed numbers. So doing that, it says there that the quotient will be the whole number, and then the remainder becomes the numerator and the denominator remains the same. So this is the quotient. So this quotient here becomes the whole number, the remainder becomes the new numerator, and the divisor will still be the denominator. So doing that, we get whole number 5. The new numerator will be the remainder 2, and the denominator will still remain to be the same, so 5. Okay, so the mixed numbers of 27 over 5 is 5 and 2/5. Okay, next, let's take a look at this one, 30 over 4. So let's change this to mixed numbers. So first we need to divide it. So 30 divided by 4. So how many 4 can fit to 30? There are 7 4. So 7 times 4 is 28. Subtracting that, 30 minus 28 is 2. Okay, so after we divide this, we are now ready to write this in mixed numbers. So this is the quotient, so this becomes the whole number, and the remainder becomes the new numerator, and the denominator will still be the same as the denominator. Okay, so this will become 7 and 2/4. Okay, so 7 and 2/4. But 2/4 here can still be simplified. So simplifying this, we'll get the answer 7 and 1/2. How did we arrive to this 1/2 here? 2 and 4 can still be divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2 and 4 divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. That's why the final answer here will be 7 and 1/2. Okay? Next, 13 over 2. So how are we going to do that? Again, we're going to divide 13 by 3. So 13 divided by 3, there are 4 3s. So 4 times 3, that will be 12. Subtracting that, 13 minus 12 is 1. Okay, so again, the whole number will be the quotient, and then the remainder will be the new numerator. So 4 is the whole number, the remainder is the new numerator, and copy the denominator. So 13 over 3, when changing it to mixed number, is 4 and 1/3. And lastly, it's 10 over 2. So we're going to divide that. So 10 divided by 2. So how many 2's can fit to 10? It's 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. So if we're going to write this, we get Whole number is the quotient 5 and the remainder is 0 over 2. But take a look at this. The numerator is 0 and the remainder, because the remainder is 0. Okay, so if the remainder is 0, there's no need for you to write the fraction because it's understood that there is no fraction. To simplify this answer, the answer will just be a whole number. And so the answer is 5. Okay, because 0 over 2 is 0 and it's nothing. That's why it says no fractions. We just have to cancel this fraction here and the final answer will be just a whole number. Okay, so you have to remember that if the remainder, so if the remainder is 0, the answer is whole number. Okay, it's the answer is whole number. Okay, so don't forget that. Okay, that's only true if the remainder is 0. Okay, so that's how we change improper fraction to mixed number. Okay, I hope you learned something today. And again, this is Teacher Luis, your mommy tutor.